Hey everyone, welcome back to mclovinmoto. I'm out on a ride today and I figured while I'm out, I want to talk about the 5 things I hate about my Africa Twin. And that might be a little misleading because there's probably 5 things that I'm slightly dislike about my Africa Twin. There are a couple things I hate about my Africa Twin and we're going to talk about them right now. First one, no cruise control. This is an adventure bike. How many people on an adventure bike take long trips? Yeah, a lot. Why wouldn't you put a cruise on an adventure bike? Granted, mine's a 2017. I think some of the new ones, especially the adventure sports models, do now have cruise, but my 17 factory standard model doesn't. That's annoying to me. This bike should have cruise control. Second thing that Honda should have put on this bike factory is an accessory port. It has a spot for it right there. I don't know if you can see it. Right there is a spot where there should be an accessory charging port. And to add insult to injury, if you want Honda to put one on for you, it's like 80 bucks. 80 bucks for maybe a $5 part. Add it to the bike standard. People that ride adventure bikes go a long ways. They've got GPS, they've got cell phones, they've got all sorts of things. Put an accessory port on your bikes. Honda, please. Standard. I shouldn't have to pay 80 bucks from your parts catalog to put one on. Third thing, the foot pegs. The factory foot pegs are a joke. They're tiny. They offer no support. The rubber in them is also small because of where it is. You can't stand up. Even when you're sitting down, they don't feel good. That was one of the first things I swapped out of, was the factory ones. I went to honestly a set of cheap Amazon ones that were like 3 times bigger. Made a huge difference in the comfort and rideability of the motorcycle. So the third thing I hate about the Africa Twin is the foot pegs, the factory foot pegs. All right, so those are the biggest 3 that really annoy me. The fourth thing, I could use a little more wind protection on the highway. The factory windscreen isn't, you know, it's okay, but over a long trip, I could see how it'd get weary. Obviously I know there's there's aftermarket windshields, but I love the styling of the bike, but there could have done a few more things in the front to change the way the air comes off of up through the forks and then off and around the windshield. So if I had to have a fourth thing that bugs me about the Africa Twin, I wish they would have done a little bit more with the wind management up front. And then the 5th thing, this is minor. I can change it just like I changed the foot pegs. Not real pleased with the stock mirrors. I see a lot of my shoulders, and you know, it'd be nice if they were just out a little bit wider to accommodate us bigger guys. I'm 6 foot 250, and I see a lot of my shoulders in these and arms in these mirrors. That would have been a great thing for Honda to do, is just push them out. I mean, even just another inch would have made a difference. So there's the 5 things that I hate about my Africa Twin. Like I said, they're all pretty minor in the grand scheme of things. I can fix a lot of them for very little money, and well, that isn't too bad, is it? Let's see if I can get a view of that. I can fix a lot of them fairly reasonably, but those are the 5 things that bug me about my Africa Twin. Take care, everybody. Talk to you later.